So we made it to the first spot today. I'm starting off with this Biz Custom C7. And I'm probably gonna keep this on for the majority of the day. If not, probably switch to a soft bait. But there's no objective for this video, man. We just fishing. That's it, man. We just fishing. I just need to get out of the house. So back at the pond that's been producing for me. Start off at this point with this glide. Don't get no bites with it, no bites with this, and then we probably switch to a soft bait.
A few moments later.
Okay, so one for that. I'm gonna switch over to a soft bait. So I'll get back with y'all. Switched over to the shadtron. Only caught, I think, one fish on this. No, I haven't even caught a fish on this. Now that I think about it, I only caught one on the all white one. But we gonna try this. See what it do. Should get smashed. We should get smashed. I hope we get cold and killed. Like, all you off here, all you die off. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Stay. That's a giant. That's a giant. That's a giant. That's the same one I caught from last time. On the mulletron. On the mulletron. On the mulletron. On the mulletron. Oh my God. Oh my God. My line got wrapped. I had to get my feet in there. Oh my God. Not filled all the way out. Same one from last time, that same scar. Oh my God. That's crazy. That was my second time catching that fish. First fish on this shadtron actually. And I mean, buddy just dumped the crap out of that thing. But we can get back out there, see if we can get another one. And my second time catching that fish. I can't believe that. But yeah, she gave me a good on one, man. I knew this spot was gonna produce. The spot was gonna produce. It's just something about this area. So then this shadtron sink all the way down to the bottom, and I'm just barely creeping that thing back. Waiting for a tick a little low. Then I can't even talk. Fish to load up on it, weight change. But I did get a call from my dad earlier. He did say he was in the neighborhood, so I'll probably go fish here, call and see where he at, and then push up on him. Probably just fish around, waiting for a few. So yeah, we're gonna see what we could do, man. But hopefully we can get on another one before we get ready to get out of here. Made it out here with Pops. I'm gonna start off with this Gantrel. This is actually my first. Oh, I see a little bass. Yeah, shallow. But yeah, first spot ever. Thought I'm not gonna keep there.